cannot. Y'all, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm just loud, honey. I wakes up on 10, on go, ready.
Ready, honey, how we about to be in Vegas?
Ready! No, I'm on the way to the airport. My flight leaves at 9. I'm gonna be switching back and forth, you guys, between my phone. Well, actually, this is Ashley's phone, but I have some footage on my phone. You will tell the difference, trust me. Footage on my phone, Ashley's phone, my camera. We're vlogging everything. We're going as we go. Recording as we go. Y'all know what I meant. Recording as we go.
Right.
So, I'm just coming in, giving you guys a brief synopsis of what's about to take place. A major turn up. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Gang, gang.
And while I have you here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Can't forget, share this effing video. Share the video, guys. Seriously, though. All right, I'll see you guys later. Y'all, this our Airbnb. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour really quick. The living room area. Cause y'all, this joint is nice. Now the lighting ain't all that in here.
Yeah.
What's up?
If you ask me, I'm a subscribe.
It's about to be lit in here. I just want you guys to know. Okay. Got a little outside portion. Oh, turn up. It feels good out here. I'm gonna take y'all up the stairs.
I got all that shit. Sunshine didn't even play after that.
They study doing all that talking. Up the stairs. Y'all, we got another flight of stairs, so I'm gonna just go ahead up to day flow first and show y'all that, cause these a lot of stairs. I ain't gonna be making all these trips doing all this walking up and down these stairs. Ridiculous. Now this top floor, listen, it is like that. They got them a little big screen TV. Another little bedroom. Cause that's a walk-in closet. I ain't going in there. Won't do all that.
You got a pool here?
I don't know. It might. You gotta check.
Look like one bad day, but shit, it's cold out there.
Exactly. They got little seating areas everywhere.
This is a bathroom. This is another bedroom. Another. It is a lot of us. Y'all gonna see later. It's a lot of us. We need to wash some clothes or something.
And then, you know, back to my room with the girls. Well, I'm saying back to like y'all done seen my Snapchat, but my room done been on my Snap. I ain't even see this. No, that's cute. I ain't even see that. But this is what I did see, honey. Now that is all that. Okay. And then, you know. He pulled the wool up our ass, huh?
When?
Probably no worse than what Trump did the last 4 years.
What'd he do?
Nothing.
Trump, you know what Trump's problem was? He talked too much. So you trying to record me now?
I ain't recording you, I'm recording me.
You can't even see you.
You can't see me, you can't tell probably, but yeah, you can see me. Look, you can see me.
Be on camera.
No, you don't put me on camera.
I'm sorry. I never put you in there till you was like you couldn't see me. I'm sorry.
No, no.
I edited it though. I cut you out.
Yeah, edit. They might be looking for me.
Oh my God. Who looking for him, Jesus Christ.
Look up here.
Oh, we don't want it Uber.
Yeah, we about to go set it off. We setting it off right now.
Listen, he told us we are all black. We look like we about to go do a robbery. Then he talking about he might be wanted. What's up? What's up? Tell me some stuff.
We about to go set it off right now. Y'all warm back there? You turn that heater on.
It's good. I like it just like it is.
Oh no, you turn the heater on your butt.
Oh, this the back seat got seatbelts too.
Yep.
Fancy. You want to be our personal Uber?
Oh shit.
Cause we chill good.
Y'all wait, what?
See? We speak your language.
Let me go ahead and give y'all one of my cards. Come on, my card. Y'all tip good? Sure, I'll wake up and make sure I get y'all to where I need to get to. Y'all doing something illegal.
I was just waiting on it, y'all. I knew it was coming back around again. He done said that about us being in this all black.
Ow. Yeah. Bling bling.
Ooh, okay. The gold card. Play with him, okay? And better not. Right, fancy in here. Y'all know what that is. Fancy.
Now lucky I live on this side of town, sure. If I lived across town, I was like, I can't mess with y'all. That means I gotta get up. Yeah, I live a little further down.
When
I can't tell y'all where I live. Y'all might try to break in my house.
Oh my God. You think we trying to break in on them, y'all.
Take 10 luggages back to North Carolina.
Oh, wow.
Carolina, I'm sorry.
Hand me that egg carton.
Okay, we got Big Mama in the kitchen. Girl. French toast, the eggs. Let's see. Okay, she tried to flex that wrist.
Early. can see that right now, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, right now you like a baby. Yes, yes, you like a baby. Panda.